Feeling overwhelmed with repetitive tasks? You're not alone. Today, we will explore how AI can simplify your life. Our goal is to save you time with helpful tools. Let's jump into 5 effective steps to get started. First, auto-schedule your meetings. Use AI assistants like Reclaim or Motion. They can schedule around your focus time. Next, tackle email writing. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper are your friends. They draft personalized emails in seconds. Now, let's summarize long articles or PDFs. AI tools like Claude or Wordtune read excel here. They can condense documents in mere seconds. Fourth, create social media content quickly. Try tools like Copy.ai or Hoppy Copy. Make LinkedIn or Instagram posts in minutes. Fifth, capture meeting notes and transcripts easily. Otter.ai and Fireflies automate this task. You'll never miss a detail again. Here's a quick bonus tip. Use AI voice tools like 11 Labs for voiceovers. Transform your writing into natural-sounding audio. To wrap it up, we covered 5 AI tools. They can help you save time and reduce stress. Now, don't forget to apply these hacks. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Comment below with your thoughts or questions.